By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out push-up. Are you ready to master one of the most effective and versatile exercises in the fitness world? The push-up is a classic move that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, and it's essential for building upper body strength. First, let's talk about the benefits of doing push-ups. Not only do they build muscle and strength, but they also improve cardiovascular health, enhance core stability, and can be done anywhere without any equipment. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, push-ups can be modified to suit your fitness level. Let's dive into the different variations of push-ups and how to perform them correctly. Standard push-up. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest towards the floor by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Knee push-up. If you're new to push-ups, start with your knees on the ground. This reduces the load on your upper body and allows you to build strength gradually. Follow the same form as the standard push-up, but keep your knees on the floor. Wide push-up. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. This variation targets your chest muscles more intensely. Perform the push-up as you would with the standard version, maintaining a straight body line. Diamond push-up. Position your hands close together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your fingers. This move emphasizes your triceps. Lower your chest towards your hands and push back up. Decline push-up. Elevate your feet on a bench or step to increase the difficulty. This variation targets your upper chest and shoulders. Keep your core tight and perform the push-up as usual. Incline push-up. Place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or step. This variation is easier than the standard push-up and is great for beginners. Keep your body straight and lower your chest towards the surface, then push back up. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Plyometric push-up. For an explosive challenge, try the plyometric push-up. Start in a standard push-up position. As you push up, explode off the ground, clapping your hands before landing back in the push-up position. This move enhances power and speed. One-arm push-up, a true test of strength and stability. Start in a standard push-up position, but place one hand behind your back. Lower yourself using one arm, maintaining a straight body line. This advanced variation requires significant strength and balance. Push up with shoulder tap. Add a core challenge by tapping your shoulder with the opposite hand at the top of each push-up. This engages your core and improves stability. Push-up progressions. To build up to more advanced variations, use progressions like negative push-ups, where you focus on the lowering phase, or eccentric push-ups, where you slow down the descent. Remember to maintain proper form throughout all variations. Keep your core engaged, avoid letting your hips sag, and ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. 1-second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Recap. Push-ups are a versatile and effective exercise for building upper body strength. With variations like the standard, knee, wide, diamond, decline, incline, plyometric, one arm, and push-up with shoulder tap, you can tailor your workout to your fitness level and goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Share your progress and any questions you have. Stay tuned for more videos that will help you achieve your fitness goals. See you in the next video.